Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Windows PowerShell is not working, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we need to know is whether we're using a private computer or a public network. So if you're using a public network like at the workplace or in a school which is controlled by a system administrator, then we need to know that the system administrator in these places normally restricts any changes to the system. So he basically restricts the use of PowerShell or command prompt. So if that is the case, then you need to contact your system administrator because he has restricted the use of PowerShell and command prompt. Now, if you're using a private network, then there are two things you can do. One is to make sure that you have enabled Windows PowerShell. For that, we need to search for features, turn Windows features on and off. And we'll look for the Windows PowerShell. So here you see the Windows PowerShell, it is ticked and this is also checked. Once that is done, click on OK and then check if your PowerShell is working by looking in search and looking for Windows PowerShell. Right click on it and always run as administrator. Elevated command is always important because PowerShell doesn't implement any changes without you running it as administrator. Now even if this doesn't work, then SFC will definitely work. An SFC scan, system file checker scan. So go to command prompt, right click on it also and click on run as administrator in the elevated mode, and then input the command sfc space slash SCANNOW and press enter. And once the scan is over, just restart your computer by clicking the start button, the power button, and clicking on restart, and your PowerShell should start working fine. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.